Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower curtain tie bag. So let's get started. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and this 3-ply cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot and then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10 and then chain 11. So in this way make chains according to the measurement. I have made approximately 150 chains. You can increase or decrease the chain according to your required length of tie bag. Now make 2 more chains. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the back ridge of 3rd chain and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now go into the back ridge of the next chain and draw a loop and make a double crochet in it. Now in the same way go into the back ridge of this 3rd chain and make a double crochet in it. Go into the back ridge of next chain and make a double crochet in it. So we would do simple double crochet stitches in every back ridge of chain and we would complete this row. We would work into the back ridge to get a fine line in starting. A fine line would be produced if we would work into the back ridge of chain. So that's why we would make double crochet stitches in the back ridge of every chain, and in this same way we would complete this row across the chain till the end. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now in the last make chain 1 and pull the yarn a little bit, cut it with the help of cutter and remove this extra yarn strand. Now weave these 2 yarn ends with the help of yarn needle. So I have woven these 2 yarn ends. Now cut these 2 extra yarn strands with the help of cutter and remove them. Now we would make our 3D flower for this curtain tie bag. I have made one flower already. Now we would make the second flower. For the second flower make 32 chains. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. After that make chain 1 and go into this 4th chain from the hook and make a double crochet in it. Then skip one chain and make a double crochet in the next one. Make chain 1, go into the same chain and make a double crochet in it. Again skip one chain, go into the next one and make a double crochet in it. Make chain 1, go into this same chain and make a double crochet. So we would skip one chain and into the next one we would make V-stitch by making double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet in the same stitch, and in this way complete this round row. I have completed this row. Now make chain 1 and turn the work and start making double crochets in the chain 1 space of every V stitch. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and after 7 double crochet stitches in between these V stitch, make a single crochet. Now make double crochet 7 times in the next chain 1 space, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then double crochet 7, and then make a single crochet in between this V stitch. If you want a beginner friendly tutorial of this flower, so this flower tutorial is already available on my channel. So I will put a link in the description box of that flower too if you want. So now I have made 7 double crochet stitches in this last V stitch. Now pull these double crochet stitches a little bit and we would make a single crochet in the third chain, and to finish this single crochet we would change the color of yarn also. Now we would use a white color yarn. Now with this white color yarn we would make single crochet. So make chain 1 and go into this first double crochet stitch of shell and make a single crochet in it, and after that go into the next single crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch and make a single crochet in it. Then go into the next one and make a single crochet, and in this way make total of 7 single crochet stitches in every double crochet stitch. After these 7 single crochet stitches, in this single crochet stitch we would make a slip stitch which is in between every shell. So make a slip stitch in this stitch, and after that in the next 7 single crochet stitches, in the next 7 double crochet stitches make 7 single crochet stitches, and after these 7 double crochet stitches in the next single crochet stitch we would make a slip stitch. So make a slip stitch into this single crochet stitch. So in this way complete this row. So I have completed this row. Now make a slip stitch at the side of this double crochet stitch and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now the flower is ready. Take this few inches long yarn strand to weave this flower and weave all other yarn ends. So I have woven all other yarn ends. Now we would fold this flower and weave it with the help of yarn needle. So start rolling this flower in this way, and after few petals, now with the help of yarn needle we would weave this flower to make it more secure. After every petal roll, so go through some stitches like this, and after that roll a few of the petals again and pull the yarn needle through these stitches also. So in this way we would weave this flower totally with the help of yarn needle. This method will secure your flower and petals would look more fine this way. So weave this flower. I would put a link in the description box. This flower tutorial is already available on my channel with the same pattern. So if you want a beginner friendly tutorial, then just check out the description box and link will be provided in the description box. So you can check that tutorial video and you can make this flower. Now weave this flower securely. And now we would join this flower at the other side of curtain tie bag. So I have joined this flower too. Now both flowers are joined. So this is our curtain tie bag with 3D flower. Make a knot this way. So if you like this video, give it big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel also. And don't forget to press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.